Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, salam kebajikan, nama budaya. My name is Aisyah Ramharan. Physiology in Decision Making. 1. Understanding the human mind behind choice. Physiology in discussion making. We often like to think that discussions are made through logic and reason, especially in business or economic. But in reality, our discussions are often driven by mental thoughts, emotion, and unconscious biases. In this presentation, I'll explain how psychology influences decision making and why understanding these psychological patterns is crucial for better choice. 2. The myth of rationality. Traditional economic model assumes that people are rational, that we weigh all options, calculate, and always just what best for us. But behavioral psychology has shown that this isn't true. Human beings are not computer. We have limited time, limited information, and limited mental energy. As a result, we have generally an instant or intuition which can lead us to make decisions that are fast. But for reasoning that we are not always rational is this first step in understanding how to improve our choice. 3. Cognitive bias in action. One of the most important psychological influence of decision making is what we call cognitive bias. These are mental skills or habits of thinking that can be distort judgment. For example, the confirmation bias leads us to focus only on information that support what we already believe, while ignoring evidence that contradicts it. The answer bias makes us overly influenced by the first number or either we hear, even if it's irrelevant. Then bias can be led to poor discussion whether is hearing, investing, or personal life. Emotion and right perception. Emotion play a major role in decision making, especially when it comes to rights, fear, excitement, anxiety, and overconfidence can all change the way we evaluate a situation. For example, people often take more risks when they're trying to avoid loss than when they're hoping for a gain. This is known as low aversion and is a powerful psychological force. Emotional states can cloud our judgment, making us either overly cautious or too impulsive, both of which can lead to bad outcomes. 5. Social influence and group decision making. Our discussions are also affected by social pressure and group dynamic. In group, people might conform to the majority opinion even if they dissent privately. This is known as groupthink, and it can lead to serious error, especially when no one want to challenge the leader or the status quo. Peer pressure, alternative figure, and organizational culture all have a psychological impact on the discussion we make. Being aware of this influence helps us avoid blending, following the crowd, and encourage more independent critical thinking. In conclusion, decision making is far more complicated than just choosing the most logical option. It is a psychological process set by our emotion, mental sources, bias, and social surrounding. By understanding how the mind works, we can begin to question our assumption, reasons, or well part and make more thoughtful, informed discussion whether in business, relationship, or personal goals. The key to better decision making lies in understanding ourselves first. Terima kasih. Bye.